So guys, welcome back, and we are here, 2026, back in the cold and back to work. So we were closed a little while over Christmas and the New Year because we were getting some refurbishment works done in the workshop behind. We've been working with Resin, who are an amazing company. They've been grafting all over the holidays, and yeah, let's check out, see what they've done.
Open the sesame.
That's it. So this is it, guys. We have had a custom resin floor completed over here in the workshop. So this is a custom flake. So we went with the ES colors, a little bit of the red, some black, some slate gray in there as well. This was the recommendation from Faisal and Jazz at Resin, and you know, it's come out amazing. It's kind of like what we needed, the finishing touch in here.
Yeah,
you know, just
clean.
to add that extra bit. Because listen, you come into ESMOTOR, this is the home of the world's fastest Porsches. We needed to give the customer the full experience, including in our workshop. And we got one more thing coming.
Behind there.
But we will let Faisal tell you exactly what they've got planned for there. But that is going to be a real showstopper.
You know what's also impressive? How they done.
Oh yeah, let's see that. That's the detail. Yeah, this looks flawless.
Yeah, it looks really.
No, they did a top job.
Yeah.
And we were time constrained, and the temperatures have been like -4, -5.
Yeah.
So applying that over this weather and letting it cure has not been easy, especially because our heating's not been working in here, which we are getting sorted as well. But yeah, it's not been easy for them. But man, listen, we're over the moon. So now we've got that done. The boys are cracking on already. Lots of stuff going on today, and yeah, man, bring on some more fast Porsches in 2026.
Hi guys, I'm Faisal from Resin. As Amir mentioned earlier, we're down at ES doing his flooring. You may have already seen, we've done his flake floor for him. A high impact, chemical resistant, grout-free, seamless floor. Inside here, we are laying him a bespoke marble art piece. So stay tuned and we'll show you the finished results.
Wait, what are we doing here? Oh, is it? Whoa, that is sick. I don't think anyone's ever been up there.
Huh?
No one's ever seen this in the videos.
No one's ever been in this room because it's been a storage room.
This is like...
For Danny's stuff.
I've literally done his house.
Where I moved house, my garage, I emptied it out. I had to find somewhere to store it. So I put it all in here. So this is my old sofa. So
That's my old sofa.
That's
That's 3 years old, bro.
They're my old cabinets that are on the wall. That was my old
That's
one
my
that was
old
in the room.
cabinet.
This is mine and Rebase's room. This is mine and Rebase's home from a home.
Yeah.
This is heritage, bro. So this is like MTV Cribs. ES Cribs. We've got ES Cribs out here.
This is ES Cribs.
Bro, you know how long we've had this TV? 3 years?
Yeah, 3 years. We've got a kitchen, man.
No, we actually
a washing
have...
machine, a freezer. Set this up.
Wait, does this even work?
Huh? Yeah, of course it does. You've got a fridge. Got
Two fridges?
2 fridges, yeah. One for Malik and the one for us.
No freezer?
Yeah.
No, we ain't got freezer. Yeah, we've got freezer now.
Bro.
Dishwasher, look.
Bro, you might know what to do that.
So we're back, it's 2026. First build of the year is an ES 800 cab. Don't know what it is at the moment. All of these customers are buying these cabs and they're bringing them here. We've got an ES 1500 inline, another ES 1500. We've got 2 ES 1500 cabs coming in. Well, we've already got them here, so they're going to be built in the next month. So it's just crazy. But yeah, it's got our custom hybrid turbos, custom ES titanium and exhaust. It's having DVs as well. If you don't know what DV is, it's diverter valves. It's for the recert valves, and our full custom ECU software tune and a PDK tune. So guys, watch out, because there's going to be another fast cab hitting the UK streets yet again, and it's only just happening now, 2026. So much more to come.
We're here. Bro, the GT's here. I'm taking over. So we're here at ES Motors. So we bought the GT63 to him today. He's gonna be doing putting up Amir. ES Motors and Danny. My bad, Danny.
Us guys here at ES
Danny's
Motor,
gonna be putting on some
lowering links
and some spacers on it. So we're gonna try and make it.
Get some more stance out of the car.
Yeah.
That's what we need. It looks good as it is right now, but once we get the stance on the car, I'm going to wait, because what we're not going to show him. He's going to go sit through there. We're going to do the work, and then we're going to drive around the front. Then we'll get his reaction.
All right.
Because just them little bits that you do to these big hypercars, power cars, everything you've got, supercars, whatever you've got, stance is one of the biggest things you could do to the cars, just to get it more beefy. I mean, these things are phenomenal anyway. I mean, look at it, it looks absolutely awesome. So, yeah, exactly, but wait until the car squats a little bit, and we'll bring it out a little bit, and then see my man's reaction, and then, yeah, we'll go from there, man. So keep watching, guys, because this little subtle modification that we're going to do is going to be a massive hit. So here we have another ES900 Cabriolet ready to hit the streets. This one consists of our full titanium exhaust, our custom headers, our custom hybrid turbos, so that's stock frame turbos with hybrid internals. We've also done the CSF intercoolers on the car, our full custom methanol kit, map sensors, and not only that, our custom tune and our custom PDK tune as well. We've also carried out the full suspension works. This has got the Bilstein coilover kit on it that we fit to most of our big builds. The reason why we do this is for handling, cornering. If people want to take it on a track, they've got the suspension set up there already as well. The stock suspension, we've already run mad numbers with that. We have built an ES1100 on stock suspension, but this one here, because it's a cab and because it's a lot heavier, we've specifically told him, look, get the coilovers and trust me, you'll notice a mad difference on it. So dyno time, the figures speak for themselves, another ES900 hitting the UK streets.
So guys, like we said earlier, we are doing more air-cooled stuff, and we also have this customer's car in. This is a lovely 993. It's the non-turbo model. However, yeah, it's a lovely car, quite rare to find in the manual as well, and it's also, funnily enough, in the same midnight blue as well. But yeah, this is a lovely car, to be fair. However, he's got some issues. He had the engine rebuilt some time ago from another company, and now the stem seals are leaking. It's leaking quite a lot of oil into the engine. It's smoking quite a lot inside the car as well, to a point where he was driving the other day, and yeah, he had a whole lot of smoke come inside the car, and yeah, it's not a nice experience to get. So yeah, this is in, and we're going to be doing an interesting project on this as well. So the whole point of this is to make this a modern drivable air-cooled car. So we have some plans with the engine to do a higher horsepower NA engine, and also just, you know, modernize it a little bit in terms of suspension, so it just makes it a lot nicer to drive. This customer also has a 992 and he loves a 993, as we all do. But yeah, they are amazing cars and they're great cars to use even as dailies, but they do need a little bit of modernization in terms of bringing them up to speed with modern cars. So yeah, that will be another one to watch out for. Really excited about all the air-cooled stuff going on, man. We got some really cool projects. We've also consigned a 964 that we've imported over for another customer from Japan. It's going to be a mad project on that. That one's going like an RSR kind of sort of type of build, 400 horsepower NA build, high revving. It's going to be insane. And we've got another 930 that we're doing some stuff on. Yeah, just make sure you guys stay locked in, because 2026 is ES air-cooled season.